Hey guys, I'm just doing a weird vlog of me cooking dinner with my sister, who's somewhere in that dark room. Oh god, TV yellow. Yeah, wondering why am I doing this vlog? It has been another day for us Australians. Um, I just wanted to do somewhat random cooking vlogs, I guess. Whenever kind of my parents are not here, or I have food for my self and make it myself. So that's going to be kind of rarely, because my parents want me to save my money. Though I'm trying to teach myself how to cook and all that, because I'm moving out like in six-ish, 7, 8 months.
Until November.
Until October, actually.
But
So,
the lease shuts down
yeah,
in November. And
but
that's when I get out of the house.
I'm moving out in
I'm
October.
moving out of the house in November.
Yeah, so random conversations with my sister, who she does not like me that much, but we still talk. some some reasons, I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna be having mee green noodles. God damn it! There's a box. No, I can't. I can't show. Wait, can I show? I don't know. It's just noodles. It's just noodles. Okay. So yeah, my parents love to buy a box of noodles. Mee green noodles are kind of spicy noodles.
Not really.
Not really for my sister, but
I had to put a ton of spice salt, so maybe 1,000 Celsius chili in it.
yeah, my sister likes hot foods, and she doesn't really mind it like my dad. I can handle up to some spiciness.
Even though that sriracha sauce is only at 100.
That's okay. I like that stuff. Just don't put it onto hot dogs. But then you got like a pizza place that my friend knows, um, that does death pizza. I just spotted a cat. There's a cat out there.
Tom?
Yeah, it's a Tom. So he's staring at me on top of the car. Yeah. God damn it, lighting loves to go dark.
Because
Please don't
we're
light
not
it.
being shady out there,
So, yeah. Yeah. That light does not work anymore.
Yes, fucked off.
It's like popped out, but each time we try to pop it back in, it just comes out. So, yeah. It's just randomness. I'm using my phone to record because I can't use my camera. Like, look, I'll show you my camera. It's gonna be dark for a sec. Fucking darkness. Goddamn, I swear. I don't want to swear. Like, I seriously don't. Lovely room. Lovely bed. Most likely you're gonna see this. That's my washing. Closet. Yeah, but my webcam on my fucking hell, I can't angle this properly. There we go. Actually, I can pick it up. So this is my dinky little webcam. So yeah, it's a lovely webcam. Let's go message.